Hey, this is Christine, your DIY Craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome to you also if you are new. Now, in this video, I am sharing a little piece of my vacation, and who says you can't craft when you're on vacation? So I made two DIYs for my mom, and this is DIY number one. Now, I won't be doing a lot of talking because, as you can hear, I'm very nasal. So I will just let you watch. And as I was crafting, my mom was giving me ideas on what I needed to do, because since she's getting it, or that it's being done the way she likes it. So, and everything I have, I took with me on my vacation. Yes, I was very serious. I was going to craft on my vacation. Now, this sign I got from Dollar Tree, and I took some pink paint, white paint, and like I said, I won't be doing a lot of talking, but here I am. So the rest is pretty straightforward, so I'll just let you watch. Now for DIY number two, I'm just using what was left of the white paint, and I use that to paint the board. Now I sound awful. Guys, you know how to craft, you can watch. But like I said earlier, as I crafted, my mom was giving me instruction and telling me what she wanted on her DIY. So of course I had to comply. But I used that time to just catch up with her and find out how things were going. I think that is very important for us to do with our family, especially our parents. Many of us have parents alive. I know some have gone on, but if you have a parent that's alive, I think it's very important to use that time just to catch up with them, hear what's going on, just one-on-one. And especially if you're living away from home, that's most important for them, I believe, because we were able to spend some quality time just listening to her and her watching me as I craft. So let me know in the comments below if this is something that you do with your loved ones. Just sit and talk with them and hear what's going on in their lives, and especially if you're living away from home, because I know that is important. Just let me know in the description box below, not the description box, let me know in the comments below what you think, or if this is something that you do. And I was going back and forth between the two DIYs because I didn't have my heat gun, so I had to wait for them to dry naturally. Unfortunately or fortunately. And everything I am using in these two DIYs are from the Dollar Tree. Except for the ribbon, those are from BB Craft. I will leave a link in the card above so you can see how I hauled those. So there you have it, guys. 2 easy DIYs that you can do from anywhere. Let me know in the comments below which one of these was your favorite. If you enjoy DIYs on a budget, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe until next time. Bye.